Are you looking for the best travel suitcase front opening laptop bag? In this video we will look at some of the best travel suitcase front opening laptop bag on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 20-24-inch travel suitcase front opening laptop bag. Front laptop compartment, front pocket. Innovative design can safely store and easily access tablets, magazines and more. Separate your electronics from clothing. Suggested laptop size 15.6 inches and under. Integrated deep compartment with functional elastic cross straps for securing packaged clothing. KK brand zipper designed for long-term use and prevents burst open. American SJ Turbo brand's new design. Silent spinner wheels. Aluminium alloy. Telescoping handle. Has 4 different height adjustments for effortless mobility. TSA combination lock for multi-country transit. Provides excellent security throughout all your travels. Number 2. Laptop bag. Laptop sleeve laptop. Internal dimensions 15 by 11 by 0.85 inches, LXWXH. External dimensions 15.5 by 11.5 by 1 inches, LXWXH. The front vertical side pocket dimensions, 12.5 by 10.8 inches, LXW. Extra front zipped pocket offers enough space to keeping document, charge, mouse, cable, phone, memory cards, external hard drive, pens, iPad, etc. This laptop case made of high-quality waterproof Oxford fabric, which obstructs water. Don't worry about your laptop and accessories splashing water or rain. This laptop sleeve case is for anyone looking for 14-inch laptop sleeve, 14-inch laptop case for home, office, traveling and business. Number 3. High-quality USB charging trolley luggage backpack. Large capacity rolling backpack. Wheeled backpack size 44 x 34 19 centimeters. This rolling backpack built-in laptop padded compartment can hold 15.6-inch laptop and satisfy your daily outdoor needs. Multi-purpose wheeled backpack design with 3 ways to wear it as school backpack, business handbag or rolling backpack. Anti-blocking cover can store straps when zippers zip up. Also it can protect your clothes from getting dirty when cover is open. Number 4. Rolling backpack for men, adults, business. This backpack with wheels built in separate laptop pocket can hold laptops up to 17 inch as well as 15.6 inch. 14-inch and 13-inch MacBook. This large rolling backpack has 36 liters large main compartment, roomy hold clothing for trip, second zippered file compartment to organize files, organizer compartment with many pockets make your items organized and easy to find, mesh water bottle pockets at sides. A magic tape pocket at the back is convenient to carry a small towel. Number 5. K&F Concept 18 liters large capacity outdoor travel. The camera backpack has 10 PCS removable dividers, can be reorganized for placing different items, such as DSLR camera, mirrorless camera, camera lens, flash, stabilizer, drone and so on. 18 liters large capacity. You can carry anything you need for outdoor photography conveniently. With laptop compartment equipped with a laptop compartment and a mesh pocket at the front cover, the camera bag can hold 14.1-inch laptop and connection cables. These is also a side pocket for placing water bottle or umbrella.